In today's video, I am going to teach you Kimi K2.5 fully free coder with no limits and RIP Claude 4.5 Opus. Think of this as your guided tour of a new, highly capable, open-source model that punches far above its weight for coding, debugging, and complex automation. Kimi K2.5 is a native multimodal model launched by Moonshot AI. Built on a trillion-parameter mixture of experts with about 32 billion parameters active at a time. In plain terms, it's designed to be fast, efficient, and smart where it matters most. What makes it stand out is coding performance that's competitive with top-tier systems. On benchmarks like LiveCodeBench, it reaches around 85%, and in real projects it shines especially in TypeScript and JavaScript. If you've used Claude 4.5 Opus, you will find K2.5 delivers roughly 80 to 90% of that experience, but at a fraction of the price. That cost advantage is real. A typical task can be around 50 cents instead of several dollars, which adds up quickly when you are iterating or running batch jobs. Because it's natively multimodal and trained on a large blend of text and visual tokens, it understands screenshots, UI elements, and even video. That unlocks practical visual debugging. You can show it a screenshot of a misaligned component, a failing test output, or a UI flow, and it can reason about what you are seeing, connect it to the code, and propose fixes with context. This is especially helpful when logs alone don't tell the full story. K2.5 also supports an agentic swarm up to 100 coordinated sub-agents. That means it can break a big objective into parallel tasks, keep track of who's doing what, and merge results for complex, multi-step projects. It acts like a project manager and a team of specialists combined. The key to getting great results here is to define clear goals and guardrails, so each sub-agent has a crisp job. A 25/6K context window gives you room to bring the problem to the model instead of forcing the model to guess. Paste long files, large logs, or entire modules, and let it maintain continuity across many turns. When you are working across a codebase, this continuity reduces back and forth and preserves architectural intent. Access is flexible. Use a web interface to explore capabilities. Call it through an API to automate workflows. Or download the model weights from a reputable model hub to run it on your own servers for maximum control. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.